Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. A few days back I uploaded a video for teaching RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation. That tutorial video is performing well. Many people are showing interest to watch that video. And similarly, a few weeks back I released an ebook about RAG, and that ebook is selling well compared to my other ebooks. So I could understand the demand for learning RAG. The reason is very obvious one, because the LLMs like ChatGPT and Gemini are playing important role in our lives. Because the LLMs, large language models like ChatGPT and Google Gemini are playing important role in our daily life. Almost everyone has to use them for business, for career development, as well as on daily life. But those LLMs are suffering from hallucination and a lack of latest information, that kind of issues. So it is difficult to use them in commercial setup. On one end, there is a huge opportunity with the LLMs, but on the other end, we cannot directly use them for business purpose. So obviously we have to find some mechanism to solve that issue. That RAG is playing important role in filling that gap. So obviously almost all the companies are looking for people with good RAG skills. That is why people are willing to learn RAG these days. I am planning to make use of that opportunity. So I am arranging a webinar for teaching RAG. So it will be done through Google Meet on coming Wednesday, March 12th. The timing is 7:30 p.m. IST time. It will be 9 a.m. EST. The price is 499 rupees if you pay through rupees, or $19 if you pay through PayPal. Okay. For more details, you can find the link provided in the description of this video. Okay. Thanks. Bye.